Samlapuli nagi Artli ki school no West Castle District, kata ka school Sipsing Memorial Government High Secondary School no Pendeng, lambat ka school Anderson High Secondary School openi no Stoin. Kila pau shukmat haka result Secondary School Living Certificate belapan mi deka embossment taka singi ka Artri tarik ujemang. Daka ba kila yo bandrung haka top jong top 20. Haba phai shuk result jong ka Secondary School Living Certificate lane ka matric u Samlapuli nak school Sipsing u balatip kerteng kum u Springfields naitang ulayo ika kerdan ka bapra haka top 20 kat ba ka samla amelari kerpang puwen nak school Anderson High Secondary School kalayo ika kerdan ka bakat ar haka top jong ka top 20 kat ba haka examen High Secondary School Living Certificate Arts ka samla dasuk mensim dekhar nak school Anderson High Secondary School kalayo ban bad ika kerdan ka basaw haka top jong ka top 10 haka tiga result mentau senam
haka balik ko may nga ay mo yung ulay ko na ay nga kamit ko kaya kamtama ki porba haka nika porba na po kini exams ay mo yung ulay na mar klem ka jing is na age ungam laban po haka nika tam ka nga nga po yung ta te ka ba nga kuaban ay nga ay mo ya ini kuaban ay kulay ya ini pa kamtam kajing kersan jungki kala ay mesin yang pat kunjuru ya ki parlo parajor barok ki balai ay mesin ki bala kentu yang ban pois kan ka thong panganla ban le khamha khamtan hakipor ki ba machine jing pun ki khamtan ki no hikai ru ki ba the dot barnet ban mesin manera problem yang ikut ki khana school te kalong ka ek ba Snok tenat berkanton beru ia kino hikai ki pada hikai yang ana do menshua bangadang rik bangadang ngawan kan ya school na do por pa ngasong kelas nursery hadu menta te klem ka jinera jong kiru ngamla ban pon shikanika thong banga poi menta te play un kurkuya kiru te kanika weru ngaku aban ai play ya barok ki bahaying hasen ki parlo parajor jonga banga kamtam haka shno ka thau ki bala chu ai min sim yanga kamtam bangan kam le bha hakin ki snan ki ban sawan te nga sang comment shibun but nakini
I want to thank God for without him none of this would have been possible. Next I want to thank the teachers, and all the credit goes to the teachers and the Anderson family for everything they have done for me in my entire life. I want to thank my parents for the unconditional love and the support that they have always given me. I was speechless. I cried honestly with my family because I did not expect this. I was sitting in my living room and I told my parents I wouldn't get in the list. I told myself not to expect too much, but then I got a call from my sister and she told me that I made it. I got the 4th position.